Hello, hi dear students, friends, you are welcome to learning. In this course, I will guide you how you can join Udemy courses on just $9.99. You can see the desktop support IT support fundamental training course, just $9.99. It's available for you especially for limited times. You can join this course easily. The link below of all courses you can find and easy joins. What you learn in this course, let's check it. Introduction, desktop support. What is the troubleshooting? Introduction, desktop support. Technical support responsibilities. Desktop support jobs, what career about, what is jobs available, desktop support. Information technology career opportunities. Next section, what is the desktop support settings, how create user account for Windows. On your organization you will learn about how you can create user accounts for your users and employees in your organization, how check recent files, how delete unwanted applications, how run defragments and file system, how run disk clean up system, how install Windows on system, recycle bin settings stores, how install printer on system, how use the Windows system, what is the database, introduction of database, and this section you learn about the networking. Introduction of networking, what is the networking, what is the classification of networking, what is the wireless networking, what is the softwares. In this section you learn about the softwares, introduction of softwares, what is the softwares, how use the softwares. In this section we learn about, I will teach you in this course, what is the computer. You know about the computer, all about history and the computers, type of computers, how many types of computer available in the market, which are we using, just personal computer, supercomputer. There are all details in this chapter I have explained. What is the classification of memory, what is the new age of the memory, what is the computer history. You learn about the history of computer here. What is the information technology fundamentals. And last you learn about the graphic designing, what is the graphic design in this course. And also you have here few courses which are just available for $9.99 for limited times. You can check link below all courses if you want to join. Thank you very much. See you next video lecture.